Ripple and Cardano are pumping again and the moon boys come out of their tombs. Bullshit or super high potential? Let's take a look. So this is Ripple on the weekly chart. As you can see, since the token inception here in September 2013, we've basically had this top here in 2017 and this top here in 2021. So the top of the prior cycle, as you can see, it's not even as high as the 2017 top, which is very bad, obviously. Xrp is the top 6 crypto project, as you can see, and there is a lot of hype around Xrp for the last cycles. So basically we've had a big pump here, a big rally in 2017. Last cycle, well, it's meh. And as you can see, since then it's basically flat, a little pump here and there, a little dump here and there, nothing too special. But anyhow, every cycle we have the Ripple moon boys coming out and saying that Ripple will still be the #1 crypto project. It'll dethrone Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then they go ahead and talk about crazy valuations. In my personal opinion, no, it's not gonna happen, but let's see where this maybe could come from. Why do people think that this could pump high? Although there's not even a higher bull cycle high last cycle. Well, if we have a look here at this structure, you can see that we had the same thing here. One high, a lower high in the following cycle, and then a prolonged sideways trend followed by a humongous vertical rally. And if we have a look here, we have something quite similar. So basically, once again, high, lower high, and prolonged sideways movement. And now we're breaking out, as you can see, within this week. So based on this fractal, we should expect a humongous rally in this cycle, similar to this 2017 cycle. Now, how high could this bring us theoretically based on this structure? Well, if you have a look here, we measure with the Fibonacci tool, this movement here, you can see we topped out in the vicinity of the 2.618 to 2.786. So this pocket right here had a little blow of top above it. And if we similarly apply this here to our current structure, then we would measure this move as well from top to bottom. And as you can see here, this pocket would be our target area. So let's say a flat $60 for the sake of measuring this out. As you can see, we are right at $1, a little bit above with this recent pump, which is around, well, a 2x. Now, very obviously, pumping from $1 XRP to $60 XRP means a 60x this cycle, and a 60x in price normally also means a 60x in market capitalization. Now, XRP at this very moment sits at around $60 billion in market cap, and a 60x would mean that Xrp would have to go to $3.6 trillion. That is nearly double the market cap, the current market cap of Bitcoin. Now, is that likely? No, it is not likely. How should it be likely? Bitcoin is the #1 project. Bitcoin is the reason why we have crypto. Bitcoin is decentralized. Xrp is centralized. We have Bitcoin ETFs. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin. Why should Xrp dethrone Bitcoin? Why? Is it possible that Xrp makes a new all-time high this cycle? Yes, that is possible. Could we maybe pump to the 1.618, meaning around $7, meaning a 7x? And a 7x here would mean around $420 billion in market cap. And at this very moment, this is more than Ethereum. Well, let's say there is a possibility because to the top, Ethereum could also 3x maybe. So let's say it's possible. Is it likely? Well, let's just say it's likely that XRP makes a new all-time high this cycle. That is actually likely. But talking about the other targets, you would basically be better off investing that into solid meme coins 2.0, culture coins. I've made a video about that yesterday. Actually, a very important topic. It's a big thing this cycle. Have a look here. It's very important. Why are there actually people back holding Ripple from cycle to cycle and hoping for outsized returns, although they could just buy new cycle altcoins that will very likely do a 10 to 20x? I don't get it, but that's how it is. There are moon boys for every project. There are super stubborn back holders for Ripple as well. I don't know what they're thinking. It's actually kind of a sect. It is how it is. Let's go on. Let's continue with Cardano. But before that, make sure to subscribe right here if you didn't already, because it's a big mistake to not subscribe. Should be very obvious. Now let's look at Cardano. As you can see here, we've had a crazy rally last cycle and the cycle before that. But the actual hype we've had for Cardano was last cycle. As you can see, this is a extremely vertical pump. This is from bottom to top, a 15,470%, so approximately 155x. So of course we still have Cardano moon boys, but the hype is obviously over. Also, as you can see here, from the top in 2017-18 to the top of 2021, it's only a 130% difference, so not too much. And this was with all of this hype. So this means for this cycle, I wouldn't bet too high for Cardano. Actually, if we repeat this scenario here, that we have a 130% difference from the prior cycle top to this cycle's top, this would put us at around a $7 Cardano. And with Cardano currently sitting at $0.7, this would mean a 10x. So is this a realistic price target? Well, let's have a look at the market capitalization. Currently, Cardano is the top 9 crypto project. Based on market cap, we're sitting at approximately $25 billion, and a 10x would take us to $250 billion, meaning currently between Ethereum and Tether. Of course, once again, Ethereum is likely to do another 3x, possibly, and then we could say, yes, it is possible that we get a 10x for Cardano from current prices, but is it likely? I don't really know. I would actually target more of a 5x, and a 5x would mean that we will scratch the all-time highs, go a little bit above, but that's about it. So it doesn't matter if we look at Ripple or Cardano, both of them are pretty much over the cycle. Old hype is done. There are hopelessly bullish moon boys left, but that's about everything. I wouldn't actually buy these and hold these. There are so much better opportunities and alternatives around. I've talked about many of them. The most interesting, in my opinion, is SUI, because it's possibly and likely actually the Solana of this cycle, and it actually shows already. I've talked about it when nobody was talking about it and made multiple videos. If you missed it, have a look here. I will link a video for you. So in short, can they still pump? Yes. Will they still pump? Likely yes. Are the super high price targets rectified? No, not at all. And that's everything I can tell you about Ripple and Cardano. Once again, if you're not subscribed, what the hell is wrong with you? Do it now so you won't miss out on any of my next videos. Also, very importantly, go over on X. My username is philprince_11. I'm posting charts and crypto wisdom here as well. Until next time, goodbye.